Hi, it's Kelly from paperbeadrollers.com, and this is a update on how I'm doing. A few weeks ago, I posted about how I was struck with Bell's palsy, and you got to see basically me talking out of one side of my face. So if you didn't see that and you're wondering, you can head back to August and take a look at that video. It's been, about 5 weeks, 4.5 weeks, and I am almost 100% healed. I am one of the lucky ones. There are some people who get struck with Bell's palsy and have it for months or years. Most people heal in 6 weeks to 6 months is what they say. There's not a lot of research on this condition, so, and it seems like it acts differently for everybody. So I wanted to give you a quick update on how I'm doing and what I did to get better, just in case it helps somebody. But remember, I'm not a medical professional, so this is not medical advice. You need to listen to your doctor, not people on Facebook, not some random on YouTube like me. You absolutely need to listen to your doctor. But Bell's palsy struck me on August 12th. Thought I was having a stroke, and so called the ambulance, went to the hospital. Thank goodness it was not a stroke. Bell's palsy, what it is, in case this is the first time you're watching a video or you haven't heard about it before, is basically the nerve in your face gets inflamed and it paralyzes, usually just one half of your face. Most people recover 6 weeks to 6 months, but some people are stuck with it for years. And I have to tell you, if you ever get struck with this or somebody you know gets struck with this, it is emotionally one of the most difficult illnesses I've been through because it affects everything you do. It affects how you eat. It affects how you speak. It affects how people look at you, what you're capable of doing. It's really tough emotionally. And I have so much more sympathy now for people who have facial paralysis from a stroke or something that's permanent. Like, not that I didn't have sympathy before, but I guess it's more like I have empathy now because I've been there and I understand what you're going through. And I just, I feel for you so much. This was tough. And one of the unexpected side effects is the exhaustion and fatigue. It was really hard to do anything. I slept a lot. I couldn't see properly, it was tough. But thank goodness, I have some good doctors. I have a great acupuncturist. I was on a steroid. I was on an antiviral. And then I started acupuncture right away. Some medical professionals tell you not to start anything like that until 2 months in. But I started it on day 4 and had 8 or 9 sessions. My last session was yesterday. And every acupuncture session I had, I saw visible improvement in the movement of my face. So for me, that worked really well. I know there's people it does not work for. It's so frustrating that there isn't an actual treatment for this that works for everybody. But that's what I did. And so I'm back 100%. I posted a video on the channel yesterday, a tutorial. It was a short and quick one. But hopefully from this point forward, things are going to be back to normal. I just want to thank everybody for the wonderful, wonderful comments that you left for me, the support that you've given me, the private messages and texts. I felt so loved through this entire process, and I can't tell you how important that is when you're going through something that hits you so hard emotionally. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thanks to all of my followers, my husband's followers. He has a YouTube channel as well, Turbo John Racing. A lot of them came over to wish me well and have asked about me. It just means the world to me that you guys consider us your friends and that you care about us. So we care about you too. So thank you so much. I hope you all are doing great, and let's get back to some crafting. Yay! All right, see you soon.